We all agree this is a rectangle and this is not a square?
Yes.
Anybody finds this to be a square?
No.
Okay. So I'm going to name this rectangle very simple. A, B, C and D. Okay. I have named this rectangle as ABCD. हर चीज का एक नाम होना चाहिए, तो इसका नाम है ABCD. Okay. Which side, Ranveer, you're going to answer this to me. Which side is the length? Name any one length side.
AB.
AB, this is length. Okay. Subhan, can you name me the other length side?
DC.
Very good. Vihan, can you name me one breadth side? BREADTH, breadth. Breadth का कौन सा side है? एक one side, can you name me?
AD.
AD, very good. This is the breadth. Vihan, can you name me one more breadth?
BC.
Very good. Okay. So, if you look here and not on the floor in your house, if you look here, you will see that there are two lengths and there are two breadths. Are we agreeing to this? Are we all understanding this? Ranveer, are you understanding? Please move your hand away from the phone, Ranveer. Keep it to yourself. Okay. I am going to repeat myself. Listen to me very carefully. Rectangle ABCD. Okay. Rectangle ABCD. Okay. This is one length. This is one length. This is one breadth and this is one breadth. कितने length वाले sides हैं?
2.
2. कितने breadth वाले sides हैं?
2.
2. So, if you remember, in our previous term, we had learned that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, right? We also realized that 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 times 2, right? Which will also be 4. Remember this? Remember this? We did this. We did 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals, please tell me, what is the answer? Anybody? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Yes, Vihan, thank you. Thank you. So how many times have I written 3 here?
5, 3, 5, 15.
Correct. I have written 3 5 times. So this is 5 times 3, which is 15. Got it? Got it? 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 2 is 4. Do you remember we did this in our previous lecture? In one of the lectures in our first term? Yeah?
Yes.
So, I have here, please pay attention, listen very carefully. I have here length plus length, right? So what will it become?
Length plus length.
2 times length. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes, breadth plus breadth is equal to 2 times breadth. Correct. आया समझ में? सुभान बेटा, तुम अगर चारों तरफ देखते रहोगे तो तुम्हें कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा.
देखा मैंने लेंथ प्लस
तुमको टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं देखना है, तुमको यहाँ पे देखना है. टेक्स्ट बुक I only asked you to open Just to keep it ready with you, you have to look here. I'm going to repeat myself. Okay? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 15. Why? Because it is 5 times 3. Simply because it is 5 times 3. Correct? Yes, no, maybe so.
Yes.
So length plus length is equal to 2 times length. Are we understanding this much? Breadth plus breadth is equal to 2 times breadth. समझ में आया?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to erase this and I'm going to write something else. Whoever wants to take a water break, quickly do that. Okay. So now listen me out carefully over here. Okay. I just drew a rectangle 5 minutes ago and I showed you some important ways of calculating 2 sides and 2 breadths. Agreed? Ranveer, sit up straight.
Yes.
Okay. Now, I'm going to draw a rectangle and I'm going to ask you all some questions. Let's see if you all have understood what I just taught. Same rectangle, A, B, C, D. Okay. Ranveer, can you name me the length side? Ranveer, can you name me the length side?
AB.
AB is one length. Subhan, can you name me the next length?
DC.
Correct. Will these two together tell us the total length of this rectangle?
No.
So this length plus this length, will this be the total length of the rectangle?
No, we need breadth also.
Why do I need the breadth to know the length? What is my question? Pay attention. I asked a very simple question. Will this length plus this length give me the total length of the rectangle? Total length of the rectangle. Yes?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes? So I'm going to write here L plus L. Will, Vihan, can you give me the breadth side? Vihan is in class?
Yes.
Okay. Subhan, can you give me the breadth side?
AD, BC. AD and BC.
No. ADBC is not the length. AD and BC, sorry, breadth. AD and BC is the breadth. Please use the right conjunctions. ADBC नहीं है. ADBC मतलब रेक्टेंगल का नाम है. एक साइड का नाम खाली 2 लेटर्स हो सकते हैं. 2 letters denote one side. ADBC or ABCD is the name of the rectangle. AD plus BC is equal to breadth. Agreed?
Yes.
Agreed or no?
Yes.
Okay. I am repeating myself several times because this can get confusing. That's why. So pay attention very, very well. Okay. Suppose I'm going to write 8 here. That AB length is 8. What will be this length?
8.
16.
Shh. Okay. So this is AB plus DC is equal to the length. This is the total length. Correct? So length plus length कितना आएगा ये? कितना आएगा भाई?
16. 16.
16.
So if AD is 4, what is BC?
4.
4.
What will I write here?
8. 8. 8.
Please complete this for me. Please complete this for me.
4 plus 4 equals 8.
Okay. So now we have 8 plus 8, 4 plus 4. Correct? Correct
Yes.
ki nahi? So what is the total perimeter? So now you all know the
24.
perimeter, right?
24. 24.
24.
अभी तो तुम लोगों को perimeter आता है, total of all sides. So how is it? Now listen to me carefully. Now pay attention. Leave your pens, your other things in your hand aside. Now see what I will do. Pay attention here. Now I'm going to say perimeter of rectangle ABCD. Perimeter of rectangle क्या है? 2 times
ABC.
length. Shh. 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So what is it? 2 into length क्या है?
8.
8. 8.
8.
16.
16.
Plus 2 into
16.
16.
4. 4.
Thank you. So क्या आएगा? 16 plus
16 plus 8.
क्या होगा?
24.
Are you able to understand what I just did?
Yes.
Okay. I am going to do the whole thing once again. Everybody will be quietly watching. I will do the whole thing once again. Okay. I will simply do the whole thing once again and I want everyone to quietly watch. No talking in between, no giving answers because I already know that you all know what are the answers. Correct? So I do not want anyone giving me the answers. You all are quietly going to watch. Ranveer, you can bite your nails later, Baba. Everyone, finger on your lips, quietly watch. As I write, तुम्हारे दिमाग में तुमको जवाब देते जाना चाहिए. If you exactly know. So pay attention over here. Leave your textbooks aside. Watch here and understand. Length is 5, breadth is 4. Now be quiet and watch. Agreed so far? Total length is equal to
Yes.
AB plus DC is equal to length plus length is equal to 2 length. Total breadth is equal to AD plus BC is equal to breadth plus breadth equals 2 breadth.
Yes.
Therefore, perimeter of two times this length plus 2 times this breadth. Correct? That is
Yes.
2 into 5 plus 2 into 4 equals 10 plus 8. कितना है? You all get this? Was
Yes.
this easy to understand?
Yes.
All right. Now, I am going to give one sum to you all. You all are going to solve this in your book now. Take out your notebook. Take out your notebook.
Wait.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, the steps you showed are now how we have to find it like that, no?
No. Now see what I have done. I have given you a, what is this called? Irregular polygon. This is called a irregular polygon, which means all the sides are of different measures. Now, AB is 5 centimeters, BC is 3 centimeters, CD is 8, DE is 4 and EA is 4. I want you all to find the perimeter of this shape. You have 2 minutes in the way we solved it yesterday. After this, I'll go to the next sum. Quick, quick, quick. Ranveer, again, adjust your camera such that I can see more of you than your ceiling. That's better. AB, BC, CD, DE. Find the perimeter of this irregular polygon. So very simple. Perimeter simply means total of all sides of that shape. Okay. So find the perimeter. Vihan, ho gaya bacha?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, I can't see what is the measure of AE. Sorry, EA.
This one. This is 4. 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll adjust it. Can you see better now?
Yes.
5, 4, 4, 8, 3. I know I didn't draw it very well. My bad.
Ma'am, I can't understand that. Only I understand BC. A and D are so far from each other.
Okay. Okay, fine. Please remember उसमें centimeters लिखना है. I will just write it.
Answer I got.
1 minute. Subhan, can you read it now? Subhan, can you read it now?
Yes.
Answer 24 centimeters.
Wait, Subhan, can you read it now? You said तुमको नहीं ठीक से दिख रहा है. Can you
Yes.
read it now?
Yes.
Okay. What is the answer you got, Ranveer? 24. Good.
Yes.
24 centimeters.
Subhan, what's the answer you got?
Ma'am, I am writing.
जल्दी कर रहे. Time up for the class. चलो जल्दी जल्दी.
And look, I wrote it like this.
Good. You must write the sides. You must write that the way we did it yesterday. Write the sides total, then write the value of each of those sides.
Ma'am, now I am writing the answer.
Kitna time, Subhan? They are taking too long to just solve the simple sum. The sum was given 8 minutes ago. Why so long?
But because I did saw it clearly, so.
I did see it.
But the answer is 24 centimeter.
24, correct.
Perimeter.
Quickly, I am going to give the next sum. Vihan, sit down.
I mean, which method you have to do it?
What?
Yesterday's method you have to do this sum.
You have to just look at the sum and understand what method you must use. Do not copy the figure. Subhan, I hope you can see it now and you can do it quicker.
Yes.
Fast, you only have 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. UVZX. 8 centimeters, 3 centimeters. 8 centimeters, 3 centimeters.
Ma'am, answer is 22 centimeters.
22. We have
Yes.
22 correct. Vihan, have you solved it? Is 22 correct? Hello. Vihan is there in class, right?
Yes. Ma'am, he's
Okay.
saying 22 is correct.
Since he is saying that 22 is correct, then yes, I agree 22 is correct. Very good. So, you have understood how to do this sum. So, I am going to understand that you have figured out how to do this sum. I am going to give you a few sums today. I will send it to you. That will be your homework for today. Ranveer, you got 22?
Yes.
No, I'm still doing it.
All right, done. Those who have completed.
Ma'am, after this, ma'am, after this step, I can't go ahead.
Why are you shouting, Vihan? Hey, no shouting. Talk softly. What are you looking to tell?
22 is correct.
Yes, 22 is correct. I already said that. Okay. Those who have completed, go. Wash your eyes. Wash your eyes and come back for the next step.
Ma'am, I can't go ahead after this step.
Why? 2 into length, 2 into breadth. अभी length और breadth को substitute करो. What is the length? Length कितना लिखा था? The length was written as 8, no? And the breadth was written as 3. So 2 into 8 and 2 into 3. क्या हो गया Ranveer? Suddenly you lost.
2 into 8 and 2 into 3.
What was the length in that figure? Tell me that.
Length was 8 and breadth was 3.
Correct. So 2 into L लिखा है, तो 2 into 8 ही लिखेंगे ना?
Ma'am, 2 into 8 plus 2 into 3, no?
Yes.
Now answer is 22. Ma'am, look, I got it.
22? Good. Chalo. You're done? Go take a break. 2 minutes break. Wash your eyes. Please, please, please wash your eyes and come back. Wash your eyes and come back.